Hello wig enthusiasts, welcome back to Super Hair Pieces. Today we're diving into the art of styling and maintaining the stunning Nicole from our Allure collection. So let's unlock the elegance together in this guide. Nicole is more than just a wig, it's a masterpiece. With a monofilament silk top weft at the back and a half-inch French lace front, it ensures comfortable wear and a natural layered look. Crafted from premium Chinese human Remy hair, Nicole comes in a size perfect for petite heads with a density of 110% and approximate length of 16 inches. The great thing about the Nicole is that it comes with an adjustable straps to achieve a perfect fit. For daily wear, keep the style natural with a low tied back look or leave it straight down. For special occasions, give Nicole some beachy waves or braids and add accessories for an elegant touch. A good tip, if you are looking to tie the hair back or have a half-up hairdo, cover the tips of the ear with the hair to have a natural appearance. To preserve its natural appearance, maintenance is key. So advise your clients to store Nicole in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Use a wig stand to prevent matting and tangling, and comb through gently using wig-specific shampoo and conditioner. And consider hydrating hair mask weekly or even bi-weekly. Add a light serum nightly, especially on the ends. This will keep Nicole looking gorgeous. And there you have it, our guide to styling and maintaining the elegance of Nicole. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos like this.